So, good morning class. This video talks about simple sentence. First, we have a simple sentence that has one independent clauses or with complete thought. So, in one independent clause, it has subject and predicate. In subject, it has person, place, or thing talk about. And then in the predicate, what the subject is doing, or what we call is verb. So I have an example here. First example, in this sentence, Jean cleans her room every day. So in this sentence, it has a complete thought. And then the subject here is Jean. And then the predicate here is cleans. So this sentence is a perfect or a complete thought. So let's move on to another example, which is Brian played basketball yesterday. So again, class, this sentence has a complete thought, which is Brian is the subject here and played, the word, is the predicate. So again, let's move on to our another example. Joe lives in Manila. So here in this sentence, again, it has a complete thought. And then Joe here is the simple subject. It is a one person, and then simple predicate, which is the word lives, or the word here lives is one verb. So again, please take note that a simple sentence also has two nouns or a compound subject. So in our example, in this sentence, we have Cherry and Joyce gave their seats to the visitors. So in this sentence, again, it has two compound subject, which is Cherry and Joyce, and then one simple predicate, only one, which is the word gave. So let's move on to our another example, which is Philip and Charlie sell bottled water on the sidewalk. So again, class, in this sentence, it has a compound subject or two compound subject, which is Philip and Charlie's. So, and our verb here or simple predicate is the word sell. So let's move on to another example again. David and Gab saved the drowning child. So in this sentence, we can see that it has two compound words or compound subjects again, which is David and Gab. And then again, it has a simple predicate, which is the word save. So let's move on to another or a simple sentence that also has not just noun but also has two verbs, or which is compound predicate, or the subject is being performed by two actions. So I'll give you another example. So here in this first example, it has Donna ate dinner and washed the dishes. So again, class, here is it has only one noun or one simple subject, which is Donna. And then the compound predicate here is the word ate and washes. And in the other example I said earlier is it has two nouns, but in this sentence again, or another example, it has two verbs. So let's move on to the another example. Geo jumped on his bike and rode around the block. So here again, class, it has only one simple subject, and then it has two compound predicate. Remember that, class. It has two compound predicate, which means that it has two verbs. So next we have simple subject. Bruce fixed the car and drove it home. So here in the example, we can see that it has only one simple subject or noun, which is Bruce, and then the next word, the two words here is the compound predicate, which is fix and drove. So remember, class, simple sentence, it has two nouns, two verbs, and one independent clause. So that's all, class. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. Thank you again.